So what do we have here? Phase 2 Motorsports. Let's see what's inside. I already opened it. Upper control arms. Check that out. So Godspeed has one. I didn't like it because you've got this whole mechanism here and you have to take everything apart to basically adjust it. Where this guy, bolted in, and you can adjust it by just loosening these guys and moving this in and out. So adjustability is much easier. Pretty sweet, huh? Got two of them. Packaging was pretty awesome. Here we go. We will be installing these with this new Milwaukee fuel electric wrench. Let's get started. Alright, we got the card jacked up. We got the fancy lug nuts off. So now, this isn't the right application for this, but I want to give it a shot, see if it'll go. It's rated for 220 torque pounds. So let's see if it'll take it off. Nope, but it's loud. We'll do it with a regular wrench. Alright, I got the wheel off. So now I'm going to spray some PB Blaster up inside there on the bolts that we're going to be taking off. Here we go. Alright, we'll try this guy once again. Get it on the bolt. Took that guy right out. And we'll do it again. Took that guy out. I think I'm impressed. So that's that. That's that. And then underneath here is a cotter pin. So I'm just grabbing some pliers now. See if Alright, I had to change cameras, but got the old one out. That's the old one. And then I'll get that new one. Here's the new one. Quite a bit different here. Nearly the same. But it looks like I'll be able to get more play to pull the tire out and pull the tire in. So one of the things that's kind of wonky about the Mazdarx-8, well, I guess it's probably not wonky, is the caster and the camber are tied together, and in order to get the max amount of caster, you need to put in the max amount of camber. Well, I need to get a little bit more caster to get some adjustment for the wide body kit here, and it runs too much camber for me, so that's what this is going to do, is help fix that issue. So start putting this in, and we'll see how it goes. There we go, it's all in. It's too dark. welcome back. It's all in. Did some polishing on that, not much, but it's all in there now.